What's up, everybody? It's AI Evolution, and welcome back to the channel. 2025. It's the future we've been waiting for, with flying cars, self-lacing shoes, maybe even hoverboards. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, breaking down the top trends you absolutely need to keep your eyes on. From the algorithms driving everything to the applications revolutionizing industries, we're covering it all. Let's get started.
All right, so first up, let's talk about the engine room of AI, machine learning. This is where the magic really happens, where computers go from following instructions to actually learning from data. We're talking about algorithms that are becoming insanely sophisticated, capable of analyzing massive data sets with incredible speed and accuracy. Think about image recognition, natural language processing. These are all powered by machine learning, and they're getting smarter by the day. But it's not just about the algorithms themselves, it's about how they're being used. We're seeing a shift towards more specialized hardware, chips designed specifically for AI workloads. This is allowing us to train larger, more complex models, leading to even more accurate predictions and insights. This increased power is opening up doors to entirely new applications, things we could only dream of before. Imagine AI that can not only diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, but also personalize treatment plans based on your unique genetic makeup. Or how about AI-powered robots that can perform complex surgeries with superhuman precision? This isn't science fiction, guys. This is the future that's unfolding right before our eyes. Machine learning is transforming every industry imaginable, from finance and transportation to entertainment and beyond. The possibilities are literally endless. One area that's particularly exciting is the development of something called explainable AI, or XAI. XAI aims to change that, making AI more transparent and understandable. This is huge, not just from a trust perspective, but also for improving the safety and reliability of AI systems. So, yeah, machine learning is evolving at an insane pace, and it's only going to get crazier from here.
Now, let's talk about an area where AI is poised to make a truly profound impact: healthcare. Imagine walking into a doctor's office, and instead of waiting weeks for test results, you get a diagnosis in minutes, all thanks to AI-powered diagnostic tools. We're talking about algorithms that can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, detecting even the slightest abnormalities that might be missed by the human eye. AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans, tailoring therapies to your specific genetic makeup and lifestyle. This is precision medicine at its finest, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach healthcare. Developing new drugs is a notoriously time-consuming and expensive process, but AI is changing that game too. By analyzing massive datasets of molecular structures, AI algorithms can identify promising drug candidates at a fraction of the time and cost. This means faster access to life-saving treatments and potentially even cures for diseases that were once considered incurable. Imagine wearable sensors that constantly monitor your vital signs, alerting your doctor to potential health issues before you even experience any symptoms. Or how about AI-powered virtual assistants that provide personalized health advice and support 24/7? This is the future of preventative healthcare. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in healthcare, from robotic surgery to AI-powered prosthetics and beyond. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI.
Now let's shift gears and talk about something that's straight out of a sci-fi movie: autonomous systems. We're talking about self-driving cars, delivery drones, robots that can perform complex tasks. The stuff that used to be the realm of fantasy is quickly becoming our reality, and at the heart of this revolution is, you guessed it, artificial intelligence. Let's start with self-driving cars, probably the most widely known application of autonomous systems. These vehicles are packed with sensors, cameras, and of course powerful AI algorithms that allow them to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and hopefully make our roads safer. We're already seeing self-driving cars being tested and even deployed in some cities. And while there are still challenges to overcome, there's no doubt that autonomous vehicles are poised to transform the way we commute, travel, and even design our cities. But it's not just about cars. Delivery drones are another area where autonomous systems are set to make a big impact. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone, or receiving a package from Amazon in a matter of hours, all thanks to AI-powered autonomous delivery systems. This technology has the potential to revolutionize logistics, making delivery faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And then there are robots. Not just the cute little ones that vacuum your floor, but industrial robots that can perform complex tasks in factories, warehouses, and even construction sites. These robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated thanks to advancements in AI and machine learning. The implications for productivity and efficiency are huge.
Now, have you ever talked to your phone or your smart speaker and thought, wow, it actually understands me? That's the power of natural language processing, or NLP for short. It's the field of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and even generate human language. And let me tell you, NLP is having a major moment. Think about virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. They've become incredibly good at understanding our commands, answering our questions, and even having somewhat natural-sounding conversations. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. NLP is being used to power everything from chatbots that provide customer support to language translation tools that break down communication barriers. And as NLP technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more seamless and intuitive interactions with AI. One area that's particularly exciting is the development of something called conversational AI. This goes beyond just understanding commands or answering questions. It's about creating AI systems that can actually hold meaningful conversations with humans. Imagine being able to talk to your AI assistant like you would a friend or colleague, getting personalized recommendations, advice, or even just someone to chat with. That's the promise of conversational AI, and it's closer than you might think.
Now, with all this incredible potential comes a huge responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's crucial that we develop ethical guidelines and governance frameworks to ensure that it's used for good. We're talking about things like bias, fairness, transparency, accountability, the big questions that we need to answer to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. One of the biggest challenges with AI is the potential for bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on, and if that data reflects existing biases in society, those biases will be amplified in the AI systems themselves. This can lead to unfair or even discriminatory outcomes, especially in areas like hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. That's why it's crucial that we develop AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and transparent. We need to be able to understand how AI algorithms make decisions and ensure that those decisions are based on objective criteria, not on factors like race, gender, or socioeconomic status. We also need to think about the ethical implications of AI in areas like privacy, security, and even the nature of work. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they're capable of collecting, analyzing, and even manipulating vast amounts of personal data. Protecting our privacy in the age of AI is paramount. And then there's the question of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who's responsible? Is it the developers of the algorithm, the company that deployed it, or is the AI itself somehow accountable? These are complex questions with no easy answers, but they're questions we need to start grappling with now. The future of AI is not just about technological advancement. It's about ensuring that AI is used for good, for the benefit of all humanity.
So there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting, rapidly evolving world of AI. From cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to AI-powered healthcare, autonomous systems, and the ever-evolving landscape of natural language processing, the future is being shaped by artificial intelligence. But as we've discussed, it's not just about the technology itself. It's about using AI responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. If you're as fascinated by the potential of AI as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our future deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence.